fridge. Alright, let's go check it out. Aw, good doggy. Welcome back everybody to another unboxing video. Today we have something from mikesmilitaria. So that would be mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check out his website, which has a variety of items. Get them while they're there. Sometimes they're one of a kind, or limited quantities, or sizing. So the popular sizes tend to go quick. So again, mikesmilitaria.com. Always stuff going in and out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's get you out of the way. Get this more into the picture here. I've already opened the flap a little bit. Let's finish popping it open. I have to get this on the slice. This is the bottom of the box. We're opening this. I have stuff out of the list here. I made some notes since there's probably no manifest in here. So no particular order. Some of you may already recognize that item, but we'll start with the small stuff first. It's easier to get to. So we should have some multiples of this one. This is the Soviet Cold War era. Let's see, PVC coated that would be this part. Coated canvas belt with green buckle. Unissued, number 2, up to 41-inch waist. So that should fit me, hopefully. So let's take a look here. Some stitching on that. There's a fold from being stored over time. I do believe I already saw some markings. Looks like there's some sort of... That's a transfer from that, the rivet. That can come off with some cleaning. Whoop. Just knock the camera. Let's try it low. Recenter. Oh, there we go. So, not quite as clear up here or on that side, but pretty clear on the middle. So that's one of them. Just set it right here. There's a second one. Let's see how they would actually go together. It's pretty basic with a large clip and buckle, very simple. And then you can adjust it through these points. There's a little roller there. Same order with that one. Let's see if the markings are any different on this one. This is belt number 2 of 3 that we ordered. Good shape. And number 3. Let's take a look. Nice. They all seem to have that little bit of material transfer onto that side. It'll probably come off with some cleaning, or I could just leave it alone. Markings there. So again, that would be 3 of the Soviet Cold War era PVC coated canvas belt with green buckle, unissued, grade 2, up to 41-inch waist, I think. Alright, so what is this? Comes its own little wrapper. Definitely Czech. So I believe this would be some sort of... I just don't want to open it. What? It's got some extra stuff in there. Huh? What'd you send me here, Mike? I think we are going to have to open it very carefully. Knife here. Okay, these are just There's the tape seam. No. It does have these interesting little seal points there. So I think I might actually open it from the side then. Looks like we have a couple of doodads. Wow. Okay, that's pretty neat. They come with the patches. So this would be definitely Czech helmet cover, but which pattern? Woodland camouflage, unissued, M1995. That makes sense. Yeah. Very interesting. So I assume this would go back like that. And this would be the back. So they would know who you are from the front, I guess. Very interesting. So, that's one of those, and that one. Here's the other one. They both have the same markings there. And they are reflective. Interesting. Okay, so Czech M1995 Woodland camouflage helmet cover. That means this one. Hey, look at that. I have another one of these stickers for the collection. That side. This one. Huh. Okay, so these would be Czech M60 Strichtarn Camo Hood helmet cover used. Check it out there. So they have one internal button there. And you can see how they have a double button pattern here with single button pattern holes, so you can cinch it up tighter. A little bit of elasticity right there. So I guess you can also use that to stow that slightly as well. You see the other buttonholes all around for attaching onto the back of the jacket. And I do have some Czech rain camo, so this should go along with it. So if you notice the pattern, there is the brown vertical stripes to simulate rainfall, and it's usually on some sort of khaki background, or in this case very light foliage green. I don't see the blue-gray variation, although there is a little bit of darker variation here and there. And if you look on the inside, you can definitely see there's some sort of almost a leopardy pattern because of the variation. So it probably is there, we're just not seeing. You might see some of the darker areas to help blend in at distance. So this will be the second example here. It's actually not actually, let's see, any different markings on this one. Not as many. This one. So you can see this one does have a different tinge to it. This one's more greenish, this one's more khaki. And see, if it is showing a little bit more of the bluish gray pattern on this one through the camera. It's a little bit harder to see with the eye, but it does show up on the camera a little bit better. And then on the inside you can see kind of that internal leopard pattern that from the dyeing process. Here you can definitely see more of the slightly darker pattern. That'll help blend in at distance. Similar buttonhole pattern. Got one in the middle, and then two farther out for attaching to other garments. So again, this would be Czech M1960 Strichtarn Camo Hood Helmet Cover used. Very interesting. I might use some U-lines. We'll pop these later. Okay, a little bit of fluff there. Surplus fluff. Okay, and then the fun package here. We'll move the box out of the way too when we pull this out. Czechoslovakian VZ80 Field Medical Kit used, grade 1. So Mike had offered 2 different grades. I opted for grade 1 on this one. Let's see what we got. It's actually got some weight to it. And Daddy is facing it the wrong way. So let's put this out of the way. Getting a low battery warning here. Okay, so notes. I'll try to spread out a little bit. So medical kit, a little bit of staining, but these were supposed to be used, so we got a little bit of staining from Europe, possibly. So we got these single metal grommet. Let's bring it up closer. You can see how these are put on. Style buckles. These in here too, if you want to tuck the flap down. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, those are just grab handles. Numbers. And that marking right there. Okay. Neat stuff. Some empty pockets here. We can stick more stuff in there. Intubation tube. You folks recognize that. Pencil number 2. Neat. Okay, we're getting into bandages. Looks like a full supply there. Very interesting. Let's pull all these up real quick. So again, this is for display purposes only, but I think if you have nothing and you're in a dire situation, I think this is better than nothing and could get you to closer to the next stage in medical care that you would require. So this is totally unused. Got 2 of those. What else we got? Got a couple of these. Safety pins. Possibly soap. Got a couple of these. Looks like 2004. Not that old. Oh, expires 2004. Made in 1988. Okay, we're learning. So let's see. A bunch of these. I'm not going to spread those out. Something got used there. Tuck that back. Got a few of these. Smaller guy gauzes. Gaza. Okay, got a couple of these. these. Let's see if I can get one with a better label. Yeah, definitely 1988. 2004. Is that the same thing? Looks like the same thing. Yep, I just tucked it over there for space. These are a little different. Serialized. Let's see. And this one. This is totally sealed as well. This might be a chest bandage. So when you got a real severe wound, this would be your bad boy right here. Okay, so again, this is the Czechoslovakian VZ80 Field Medical Kit, used grade 1. So pack this up very carefully. Did we look at these ones? Yeah, I think so. Come on, do it right. There you go. Yeah, so there's snaps everywhere, buckles everywhere. Help you secure stuff. I'll fix that later. This Velcro for... Oh, there's just stuff everywhere. Oh, look at that. Notepad. Unused. Yeah, there's just a little bit of everything in here. Very cool. Very cool. Just which way was this in? Doesn't matter. I think it was that way I grabbed it. Okay, nothing on this side, just firm. And then you would secure it that way. And then you carry that way. And you can also even sling something on top or sling this onto something else. And strap-wise, what do we got going on here?